After a really long 18 months, we're so excited to announce that Noah's Ark Stay and Play is back. So if you want to book in for this, if you have a little toddler or a little cute baby, why not sign up for our Thursday sessions that happen either in the morning or in the afternoon? And listen, if you're any moms and you've got friends who are moms that would really benefit from this, then why not let them know as well and spread the word? You can easily book in online for any session you want each week. So have a think and spread the word.
When you come out baptized.
Did you know that Geforce and 180 are now back in the building? So on Friday nights, you can join us if you're a primary school child or if you're a high school student. Geforce is happening at 6:30 in this building and 180 will be happening at 8:15 p.m. Make sure you're there so you don't miss out.
Washing away in the cleansing flood. My new beginning has finally begun. Tell you the secret.
Men of Excel, this is for you. On this Saturday at 7:30 in the evening, there is a men's prayer meeting happening here at church. So if you want to be a part of that and want to come along, if you're a man, then why not do that? So that's this Saturday at 7:30.
Like no other. When you come out baptized.
Everyone loves coffee and cake. In fact, it's actually part of our partnership policy that everyone at Excel Church likes coffee and cake. Just kidding. No, I'm not. But on the 25th of September from 11:30 till 2, we're having a Macmillan coffee morning where you can join us during that time to raise some funds for this awesome charity and the awesome cause. So why not join us for some coffee and cake and help us raise some money for Macmillan?
Baptized in the blood. Baptized in the Spirit.
Our next Leadership Development Night is happening on the final Wednesday in September at 7:30 and we'll have guest speaker David Lawrence joining us for that. So make sure you sign up on our website to let us know you're coming. One thing that is staying online for now is our Thursday morning prayer meeting. So if you'd like to join us for that, that's Thursdays at 10 a.m. on Zoom. So if you'd like to join us, you can sign up on our website to get the Zoom link.
The famous author C.S. Lewis once wrote, "Some journeys take us far from home, some adventures take us to our destiny." The journey through life can look different along the way. It can be painful, lonely, and challenging, while still carrying the joy of providing the purpose we all search for. The journey of 1,000 miles always begins with one step.
Ladies, this one's for you. Make sure you're booked in for our Devoted Conference because it's happening in less than a month. Can you believe it? We're going to be joined with guest speaker Joe Hargreaves from Alive Church, who's going to be chatting with us for that day. So make sure you get booked in, sign up online for an exciting day together with inspiration and encouragement. We'll see you there. Haha! Oh, don't forget guys that this week it is Connect Groups. See what I did there? Yeah. So make sure you connect in with yours. And guys, that's all for the XL News. So have a great week.